A wide view of a busy street with workers moving about. A wide view of a busy street with workers moving about. A factory's machinery, gears turning and steam hissing.
John Dodge stands near a factory entrance, gazing at the bustling street with a visionary expression. He holds a notebook in his hand. Horace Dodge stands beside John Dodge, looking intently at a piece of machinery, his thoughtful expression highlighting his introspective nature.
A horse-drawn carriage moves past a row of factories.
John Dodge's hand holding a notebook, the pages.
Horace Dodge examines a tool closely, his eyes reflecting curiosity and focus.
From John Dodge's perspective, the vibrant
a detailed shot of a factory sign displaying the name of a
John Dodge and Horace Dodge walking down the street, their figures silhouetted against the backdrop of factories and smokestacks.
The workshop is bathed in soft natural light, with
John Dodge stands at a wooden workbench, focused in. Horace Dodge sits beside John Dodge at the workbench, examining a bicycle chain in his hands, his expression thoughtful and focused. John Dodge's hands, skillfully tightening a
Horace Dodge. Horace Dodge's hands.
A family photograph on the wall, depicting a young John Dodge and Horace Dodge with their father, emphasizing their humble beginnings.
A detailed shot of an old wrench resting on the workbench, the workshop's window, with sunlight streaming through.
John Dodge, looking up from the bicycle wheel, a determined expression on his face. Horace Dodge, still seated, glances towards John Dodge.
A wide view of the bustling Ford factory floor.
John Dodge. Horace Dodge. John Dodge and Horace Dodge stand side by side, shaking hands with Henry Ford near the assembly line. Their expressions are determined and focused. John Dodge. Horace Dodge. John Dodge and Horace Dodge stand side by side, shaking hands with Henry Ford near the assembly line. Their expressions are determined and focused. Henry Ford's hand, shaking hands with John Dodge.
Awed Horace Dodge's thoughtful expression as he looks at the handshake, standing next to his brother.
A view of the assembly line from above, machines and work blueprints and scattered parts on a workbench, symbolize. A modern Chrysler dealership filled with new Dodge cars. A large sign reading, Dodge, quality and
John Dodge stands beside a new Dodge model, engaged in conversation with a customer. He gestures towards the car, highlighting its features.
The Dodge model's sleek exterior shines under the dealer.
Horace Dodge stands near another car, looking thoughtfully at its design. He has a contemplative expression as he observes the vehicle. Horace Dodge's face, capturing his thoughtful gaze as he looks at the car.
A salesperson interacts with a customer, pointing out features. The dealership floor is bustling with activity as a customer's hand opening the door of a Dodge car. First-person POV, looking at the car's dashboard from.
John Dodge and Horace Dodge stand together, observing the dealership, their expressions reflecting satisfaction with the brand's progress.
The modern showroom, showcasing sleek Dodge electric.
A John Dodge standing next to a Dodge Charger Daytona SRT, engaging in conversation with a customer. He stands confidently, gesturing towards the vehicle. John Dodge's deep-set blue eyes, showcasing his visionary essence as he speaks passionately.
Ain't Horace Dodge, standing beside a digital screen displaying the brand's history, with a thoughtful expression as he explains details to a customer.
The digital screen, displaying Dodge's brand, a customer's hand touching the sleek design of the Dodge Charger. A group of customers gathered around a Dodge vehicle, and the showroom from a different angle, capturing the full array.
Horace Dodge's hazel eyes, reflecting his introspective nature as he observes the showroom.
A John Dodge and Horace Dodge standing together, exchanging a knowing glance, symbolizing their shared vision and legacy.